Hi everyone, welcome to the Upper Canada District School Board Virtual Learning Commons. Today I'm going to be providing a quick tutorial on how to use the A to Z database list found in our system. You will have arrived at this list by clicking on the top menu option called Games and Databases, or by clicking on an icon found throughout the subject guides named Games and Databases. There are three search options available to you on this page. The first one that I will show you is the filters. There are three filters, one for subjects, one for database types, and one for vendors or providers. I'm going to pretend I'm a grade 5 student taking my language class, and I want to know which databases to use. As such, I'm going to go to the All Subjects filter and scroll down through the various subjects until I find grade 1 to 8 language. I will select this option because I'm in grade 5, and grade 5 falls within this range of grade 1 to grade 8 language. I click there, and I see out of the 105 databases in the system, 20 relate to what I'm taking in class right now. There are many different options when you look at these databases as to what specifically you might like to do. Therefore, it is very important to read the descriptions in order to know which database best fits what you're looking for. The list starts with the best bets at the top, and these are the ones that are generally found to be of the highest value or the most relevant to your classes for that specific subject area. It is possible, though, that you may find a database that better suits your needs just below the best bets. These are listed in alphabetical order. Again, the best way to know which one is right for you is to read the description. The next thing that I'm going to point out is that you will see there's little icons next to many of these databases. They all represent different meanings. The one that is in the shape of a lock tells us that in order to access this database, you're going to need a username and a password. The place to find that username and password is on the back of your VLC bookmark. As I look down the page here, you can see this is what the VLC bookmark looks like. You get it by speaking to your Learning Commons Informationist or your LCI at your school. This is the front of the bookmark, so therefore there's no usernames and passwords here, but if you look on the back, all the databases that we have are listed there. It's important to note also at this point that we are unable to share the usernames and passwords publicly on our website because they are proprietary databases that are paid for by either the Ministry of Education or by the Upper Canada District School Board. As such, we welcome our students, the parents of students, and our teachers to make maximum use of these databases. However, we're not allowed to share them with non-UCDSB students. The next icon that you'll see that appears with some databases is the Trillium. This represents the fact that those specific databases were purchased through the Ministry of Education. The other options that you'll see are this little thumb, and it represents a student favorite, and then this gaming console, hand console. It shows that there are interactive games, quizzes, and lots of fun stuff. So, if you want to use those as a guide to help you find resources, they are available to you. I'm also going to pretend at this point that I'm a grade 5 student in language, specifically looking for games. What I can do is search by subject, but add a filter. To do that, I'll click on All Database Types, and I'll select the one that interests me. If I click on eBooks, I will find all the databases that relate to grade 5 language and that offer ebooks. However, I'm going to be looking for educational games, so I'm going to click on that. And now you can see there are 4 databases that provide good options to you for educational games within the range of grade 1 to 8 language. The last thing that I'm going to show you is another way that you can search. I'm going to reset my filters, and you can see that is by alphabetical order. It's important to note that unless you reset the filters manually, so exactly as I did by going and clicking all subjects, they will remain even after you click on an alternate option such as B. So we have 11 databases that start with B. And if you know that you're looking for Britannica, BrainPop, BrainNook, or any of our other B databases, then that's a good way to search. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you spending it with us, and please remember to speak to your Learning Commons informationist if you have any further questions. Thanks. Bye.